Let us note down the kinematic equations for uniformly accelerated objects. The first one is v equals to u plus at. Second one is s equals to ut plus half at square. Third one is v square minus u square equals to 2ax. And what is u? Initial velocity, v final velocity, t time, s displacement, and a
acceleration.
uniform acceleration. That is chala important. Okay na? Now acceleration is uniform, then only we consider these equations of motion. From here, whenever the acceleration is constant, let us say initial velocity is 0, then from first equation of motion we can write v is proportional to t, and here we consider u as 0. Anyway, a is constant, half is constant. From second equation of motion we can write s proportional to t square, and in the third one u considered as 0, 2a is constant. From third equation of motion we can write v square proportional to s. As we discussed previously, if one is proportional to other directly, then the graph is a straight line. If one is proportional to square of the other, then graph is a parabola. Now, in VT graph, the graph of VT is always a straight line, and the graph of ST is a parabola, and similarly the graph of VS is also a parabola. And one more important point we have to keep in our mind is that this holds good. The graphs of this holds good only when there is uniform acceleration. అది మనం బాగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. యూనిఫామ్ యాక్సిలరేషన్ ఉన్నప్పుడే ఈ గ్రాఫ్స్ అన్ని పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఉంటాయి, లేకపోతే చేంజ్ అయ్యే అవకాశం కూడా ఉంది. బట్